Hi, this is the first video of the series of CSS3 beginner tutorial. In this video, let's discuss how we can create a sample example with CSS by implementing CSS for our HTML content. Let's switch to online editor, that is codepen.io/pen. So this URL you can make use of online editor where we can leverage the services over here. That is, whenever we are providing HTML, CSS and JS content over here, we can dynamically see the output here instead of creating our content in notepad and then saving it and then opening our browser and running in localhost. Instead of that, we can directly provide our HTML, CSS, JS content over here, and here directly we can see what will be displayed on our web page. So let's make use of this website for now. Okay, codepen.io/pen. Let's start with basic HTML with doc type HTML. Okay, let me create the skeleton structure for HTML and then explain to you how we can apply CSS. Okay. We have head tag with /head, okay, and then body /body, okay, and finally /HTML. So this is our basic structure of any HTML file. Okay, whenever we are creating an HTML file, we'll add this HTML head body tag. Inside this head, we are going to add the title for our web page, and inside the body, we are going to display whatever we want to display on our web page. We are going to provide the content over here. Okay, for example, inside this body, I'm going to provide a tag that is P, which is paragraph, and I want to display a message, hello world. Okay, I want to display hello world on this. Now you can see here output it is showing as hello world. So whatever we are providing over here, it is getting displayed over here as a paragraph. Okay. Now I want to apply some CSS styling for this content, for this HTML content, whichever I have displayed over here for P tag. I want to apply some CSS styling. How I can do that? We can make use of one of the tag, that is style, where we can define our CSS content. Okay, so inside style we are going to specify three things over here. I'll explain you what I'm doing. Okay, so inside style, first I want to understand where I want to apply this styling, CSS styling, for which content I want to apply. Here in this case I want to apply for P. What is P? P is a selector. Okay, I want to apply styling on this selector, so I'll make use of P. Okay, and I'll open and close curly brace. Inside this, we are going to define the styling, CSS styling, which I want to apply for this content. Okay, what all I want to apply? I want to change this color to red. So color red and semicolon. Now you observe over here, output we are able to see that it is displayed in red color. I want to apply more styles for this, not only appearing in red color. I want to align this to left. I want to align this to center. I want to change this. Okay. That I can do by making use of another property, text align center. Okay. Now you can see that hello world, whichever we displayed message is appearing on the center of the screen. I also want to increase the size of this font. I want to increase the size of font by making use of font-size : I want to increase it to 40 pixel. Now it got increased, right? You want to see from whatever the font which was displayed before, now you can see the difference. It's getting displayed on a larger font, right? So these are the properties which I am going to apply for this content, HTML content. This is called as CSS styling. Inside the style tag, we are going to specify for which selector. P is a selector over here, and what is a property? Color is a property, text align is property, font size is the property. For these properties, I want to assign some values. For color property, I am assigning red, so it is displaying in red color. Text align, I am assigning center value, so it is displayed on center of the page. Then font-size, I am providing 40 pixels, so it is displaying 40 pixel large. Okay, This is how CSS styling, basic CSS styling, we are going to apply on our HTML content. So that's it for the basic video of this. Since this is the first video of the series of CSS tutorial, we are going from scratch, and one by one we will see how we can implement CSS in such a way that we will build dynamic web apps using CSS and HTML, and make it interactive by making use of JS. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment and share this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel in order to watch more videos.